Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change the background on Instagram stories. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Instagram app on your phone and tap on its icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the top left corner, tap on the story icon to open it. Here, open your phone camera and then from the left vertical menu, tap on create. On the screen you can see a new background is added. You can change its color by tapping from the bottom right. To add a media file, tap on the media library from the bottom left. Select any file that you want to share on your story. Resize the image or set its position according to your need. Now swipe from left to right to apply the selected background. And that's it. This is how you can change the background on Instagram stories. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.